Good day, everyone, from the beautiful island of Anguilla. My name is Ralph Burkhoff, and on behalf of Alquimi Renewables, Island AgTech, and Island Growers Caribbean, we would like to sincerely thank the GTI Observatory, Greening the Islands, and the entire jury panel for recognizing our hard work and achievements in the area of climate-resilient food production for island states. We presented one of our projects in Barbados, an island with a population of 300,000 and a major tourism destination that currently imports over 75% of its fresh produce needs. Local agricultural production is constantly threatened by drought, flooding, pestilence, and of course hurricanes. We are bringing the first 100% climate-resilient hydroponic greenhouse farm to Barbados using our proprietary hurricane-resistant greenhouse technologies. Our farm will also be integrated with an advanced subtropical hydroponic system and a dedicated solar storage system to reduce operating costs. Already our files are full of resumes from local young men and women who are eager to learn and work with us. We are excited about bringing the first 100% all-organic fresh produce to Barbados in the coming year. As Professor Baldacchino very rightly pointed out during the awards jury segment, these successes and efforts to actually implement projects are very difficult to achieve, as they require the coordination and support of many different stakeholders. To this end, we'd like to recognize our company's shareholders who invested in our vision, to my partners at Alquimi, Mr. John Martin and Mr. Neville Eade, and especially to our Director of Horticulture, Mr. Joseph Chidiak, all of whom worked very long hours to make our company a success. We also want to thank our current local project partners in Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, and Belize for believing in our technologies and expertise and backing it up with investment dollars. Also, our key strategic engineering and supplier partners at Sprung Structures, and to the various representatives across multiple government investment promotion agencies who assisted us in facilitating our projects in their islands. 2021 is going to be a very busy year for us as we go operational on our first farm projects and start new projects in up to 10 additional islands in the Caribbean. It is our hope through this award that representatives focused on climate-smart protected agriculture in islands around the world notice what we are doing and invite us to assist wherever needed. While we are very excited that our projects will make a major contribution to national food security and reducing food import dependency, we're also very proud of our social mandate, which includes bringing young men and women back to agriculture as a career, sharing our knowledge with other local farmers, and ultimately creating a more healthy food supply for all islanders. The work of the Greening the Islands grows more important every day, and we commend Gianni and his team for their efforts in bringing together such a strong representation of island expertise, technicians, and academia to further improve the quality of life for islanders everywhere in the world. Again, we thank you for this award, and we look forward to the time when we can invite you all to the Caribbean again to visit our farms and witness the impact we are making in this region. We wish you all the best for the coming holiday season. Arrivederci.